Right now, we're seeing a notable sentiment spike in the blockchain space, with a score of plus 0.76, significantly above the historical baseline. This is unusual, as it indicates a robust positive sentiment shift that we haven't seen in a while, highlighting an emerging optimism among users. Our API returns detailed insights into this sentiment, including momentum and semantic clusters. With a momentum of plus 0.23 and 19 distinct semantic clusters, you can dive deeper into the underlying conversations driving this positivity. Imagine using this data to enhance your trading algorithms or refine your investment strategies. You could identify key sentiments around new blockchain projects that are gaining traction, giving you a competitive edge in your decision-making. For more on how to leverage this data effectively, visit pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs.